This video answers the query how to buy shares of Lavoro Ltd and shows the steps to purchase LVRO. Lavoro Ltd develops industrial automation solutions and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LVRO. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy LVRO, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds to be able to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LVRO to find Lavoro Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you're viewing the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Lavoro Ltd. Verify the ticker LVRO and the NASDAQ label before moving on. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed according to your order type. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps as shown.